Hey everyone, how's it going? So, growing up, one of my favorite things to do, especially in the summertime, was go to monster truck shows. Now, I didn't always get to go, but every time I went, they were always so much fun. So, I thought it'd be cool to show you guys how to draw a monster truck. Now, we're going to draw this kind of at an angle. So, if you can keep your paper like this, that's fine. If you need to turn it a little bit at an angle to get that right feel, that's fine too. So I'm going to keep my paper like this, and I'm going to start off by drawing the window of the truck, just so I can kind of figure out where everything is. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up like this. Then I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to bring this line down too at an angle. Then I'm going to just connect these. Then, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down like this. And then I'm going to make a line that just goes down like this for the door. And then I'm just going to connect them. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to go right above this little line for the window. Then I'm going to curve it right around the top. And then I'm going to go down a little bit farther, and then I'm just going to curve this line down to here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve to here. It's going to go kind of straight across and then kind of curve down. Then I'm just going to curve it down a little more. And then I'll take it down a little bit farther, and then I'm going to go in. And then you want to make a big curve that goes up and then comes right down here towards the door. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight down to here. And then I'm going to make another line that just kind of curves up and then down. And then right here, I'm going to make another line that just goes down at an angle. Then I'm going to curve this line around and come back up to here. And then I'm just going to go down here and connect to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then come down to here. And then another line here that's just going to go up and then come down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and then over just for the headlight. And then right back here, I'm going to draw two little lines that just go down for some detail on the back. Now right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up and then over for a little rear view mirror. And then right here at the top, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down to here, just so we can kind of see the front windshield. Now, up on the front here, I want to have a big engine popping out. So I'm just going to draw a couple little bumps like this, about 3 of them. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up, over, and then down. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around and then come down. And then I'm going to put a little line on here. And then just another little line down. Now, starting right here, we want to draw the inside part. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then I'm going to put another one here. And then I'm going to draw one here, and then one right here. And then we want to put the great big monster truck tires on here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a big circle that goes right around here. And then I'm going to draw another big circle that goes right around here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw two lines that are going to go up at an angle, and then two lines over here that are going to go up at an angle. I'm going to draw two lines that go down, and then they're going to connect together. And then another line that's just going to go straight across here. Then I'm going to draw two lines up here, two over here, and then two right here, just to kind of connect it all together. Right up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then kind of come around for the front bumper. Then we want to draw the inside of the monster truck tires. So I'm going to just draw a circle inside each one. Kind of looks like a donut. And then I'm going to draw another circle right around it. Another one right around here. And then I'm just going to add some big bumps all the way around the tires. And this is just going to be that great big monster truck tread on there. So I'm going to speed this part up real quick. Okay, now that we have those tires done, we want to add a few more little details. So right back here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up, go over, and then it's going to come back. And then I want some fire coming out of here. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around. Then I'm just going to go down and kind of put another little curve. I'm going to keep them pointy at the top. I'm going to curve down and then back like this. And then I'm just going to curve right to here. Then, starting up here, I want to put a big little smokestack. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to go down, and then it's going to curve to here. Then it's going to jump over this and come right down here. Then I want some more fire coming out of here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve like this and then kind of come back. Draw another one here that's just going to kind of curve back. And then I'll put one more here and then bring it back in. Now, right here on the door, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to be kind of covered in for a handle. And then on the window, I'm just going to add a couple little lines for some little details. Then I want to put some flames on the truck as well. So just starting here, I'm just going to make some more little lines. They're just going to kind of curve around. And you can make them some longer, some smaller, just kind of make them all over the place. Now, the last thing that I want to do is I want to have a little dirt mound down here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a little bumpy line that just goes up to here, and then kind of comes down. And then I'm just going to draw a little wiggly line across here. And then I'm just going to add some different pieces of, little circles around here just to make it look like there's a lot of dirt and stuff being kind of thrown all over the place. I'm going to kind of put some around here, make them different sizes. Put some in the front too, just to make it look like there's a lot coming out. And there you go. There is your drawing of a monster truck. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.